Family and Friends, 2nd edition, Starter.
Hello and welcome back to our English programs. We are continuing on our Unit 3, Is It a Plane? Today's lesson is Lesson 5, Sounds and Letters. 1. Listen, trace, and point. Repeat. But first, let's listen. Ha, ha, hat. Again. Ha, ha, hat. Ha, ha, horse. Ha, ha, horse. Next one. E, insect. E, insect. E, eel. E, eel. Now trace and point. Grab your pencils and learn how to trace letter H together. Next one. This is letter H. Ha, ha. Next is letter I. 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 So now, after we learn how to trace this letter, let's listen and repeat. Ha, ha, hat. Ha, ha, hat. Next word. Ha, ha, horse. Ha, ha, horse. E, insect. E, insect. E, eel. E, eel. Now listen and chant.
Listening 45. Listen and chant.
Look at the horse with a hat, hat, hat. Ha, ha, ha. A hat, hat, hat. Look at the insect. It's ill, ill, ill. I. It's ill, ill, ill. Look at the horse with a hat, hat, hat. Ha, ha, ha. A hat, hat, hat. Look at the insect. It's ill, ill, ill. I. It's ill, ill, ill.
Now, moving on to our next point is stick and say. Let's take a look at our sticker. Consists of letter G, letter H, and letter I. So now let's take a look at this section. What is this? It's a guitar. So which sticker fits guitar? Is it I? Is it H? Or is it G? That's right. It's letter G. Stick the letter G right here. G, G, guitar. Next picture. What is it? It's a horse. So which sticker fits a horse? Is it G? Is it H? Or is it I? That's right. It's letter H. So stick the letter H here. H, H, horse. Last picture. What is it? It's an insect. So what letter fits the word insect? Is it G? Is it H? Or is it I? That's right. It's letter I. So take the I sticker and stick it right here. Insect. Now we come to an end of our lesson. Thank you.